third method for valuation under the cost or the asset approach is known as replacement method. And what does it mean? It means you try to do the valuation of an asset based on what is based on that asset in that condition in which it is today. यानी कि जिस जिस कंडीशन में ये एसेट है उसी कंडीशन में अगर उसको रिप्लेस करना पड़े तो आपको कितना खर्चा होगा, एंड दैट इज द रिप्लेसमेंट वैल्यू. A best example that I can give you for the replacement value is, when you take insurance on your car, and God forbid, in case if your car meets with an accident, remember the insurance company does not pay you the full amount of the part of your car which has got damaged. What they will do, they will only pay you the replacement cost. That means, after adjusting the depreciation and things like that, whatever comes, that is the amount that they will reimburse to you towards the claim or as a result of the insurance policy. And that is your replacement method. यानी कि ये जो एसेट है जिसका कि आपको वैल्यूएशन करना है, उसकी जो यूटिलिटी है, उसी यूटिलिटी की अगर एक दूसरी एसेट तैयार करी जाए तो उसकी कितनी कॉस्ट होगी, दैट इज योर रिप्लेसमेंट मेथड. बहुत सारे लोग रिप्लेसमेंट मेथड को समझने में एक गलती करते हैं, और वो गलती ये है, वो सोचते हैं कि ये जो मशीन है जो कि 20 साल पुरानी है, अगर इसको रिप्लेस करना पड़े विद द न्यू मशीन तो न्यू मशीन मुझे कितना कॉस्ट करेगी, दैट इज द रिप्लेसमेंट वैल्यू. एंड दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट. एंड व्हाई दैट इज नॉट करेक्ट? बिकॉज यू आर डूइंग द वैल्यूएशन of an asset which has to be valued in the same condition in which it is. So therefore, even if you do even if you take the reference price of a new machine while doing the evaluation, you will adjust the price of a new machine for the depreciation for all the years which this company may have already worked for or must have been used for, and that is your replacement method.